Hello everyone! This is Nina from Non-Sweet. Today I would like to make a one-person Lolita high tea. Yay! Yeah, so today the weather was pretty nice in the afternoon, so I thought maybe I can make a little afternoon tea for myself. Let's begin! So welcome to my kitchen, everyone! So today for my little one-person high tea, I would like to make egg salad sandwich, ham and cheese sandwich, and then also dessert from the store. First of all, I got some macarons and also some mini cream puffs. Looks good. I will start from making my own egg salad. Sorry. So I already have some boiled eggs ready. I'm gonna cut them in half and separate the egg white and egg yolk. My mom taught me how to make egg salad. She always made it for me for school. Okay, and I'll put all the egg yolk into a separate bowl. I wish I could do this earlier. The sun is already gone. Feels like I'm making dinner now. And I'm just going to chop my eggs into tiny pieces. Chop, 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 chop. And now, here comes the mayonnaise. Yay! I'll add mayonnaise into the egg white. You see the head's like star shaped. Just mix. I honestly don't really like the sound of scratching the bowl. And then I will mush the egg yolk into the egg white. Just gonna mush it with the fork. It smells so good. I love it. I just finished making my egg salad. Tastes really good. And now I'm going to make the egg salad sandwich. First of all, I'll like to put the salad on top of the bread. And then just gonna cover it. And now I'm going to chop the side first. It looks pretty if I do so. I feel like my sandwich got like half size smaller. Yay! And I'm gonna chop it into fourths. No! I thought my salad was gonna explode. It's exploding. Okay. All you need to do is chop it fast. Even though my salad is exploding, but it looks not bad, right? Like tiny chunks. Here's the plates I'm going to put all my snacks on. My mom gave me this plate. It looks really cute. I'll make another one. Do you guys like to eat the side of the bread? I kind of like it. It's pretty chewy. Oh, maybe not too much this time. And put all these on top. Wow. So I finished making the egg salad sandwich. Wow, that's a lot of sandwich. And now I'm going to make the ham and cheese one. Ham and cheese. Oh, I forgot to put cucumber. let's put some cucumber. And after that should be pretty easy. I'm just gonna put all the dessert, all the sweet stuff on top of these two plates. I want to put all color on top. So cute, so pretty. Now that our dessert is ready, I will just quickly make tea. So let me go ahead and boil my water. Yay! I'm finally ready to enjoy my afternoon tea. Even though it's already 7 p.m. Yay! It will be my dinner, but it's okay. Today I prepared Earl Grey tea with some apple chunks inside. I personally really like fruity type of tea, so I hope this is going to taste well. Unfortunately, I left my really cute tea set in my mom's house. My mom really likes to drink, like have afternoon tea as well, and then she had a collection of really fancy pretty tea cups. I will just use a mug. It looks pretty nice too, right? I mean, like, just really simple mug. Here is everything I have, yay! So here is egg salad sandwich. I made some ham and cheese with a little bit of cucumber in there. Here I have cream puff and also some macarons. I'm finally ready to enjoy my afternoon. Let's try this. I really look forward to my egg salad. Usually my mom likes to make me like egg salad to let me bring it to school. Sometimes she will also add tuna or maybe egg and onions, but I don't really like onions. An egg salad is really easy to make too, so you guys should try making this yourself. Ooh, hot. Smells just like Earl Grey. Maybe I should put more apple chunks. I can't really smell apple yet. Yeah, I can't really taste the apple. I wish it's still afternoon. Now I just feel like I'm eating a really high calorie dinner. It's okay, it's fine. Now I'm going to try this ham and cheese sandwich. Let's try this. It's pretty good. I wish I put more cucumber in there. It would be cool if I could make like a Twitch stream with like high tea in front of me. Then we can just chat with each other while enjoying our own dessert. And another one I want to try is actually the macarons. I don't really eat macarons that much, so I really look forward to it. My member color is honey yellow, so let's start with the yellow macaron. Yeah, it's lemon. Another one is the cream puff. It's a lot of cream there. So, that's it for my Lolita high tea video. This is my first time trying to make a little high tea, or maybe just afternoon tea in general by myself. So it is a really unique experience for me. It's pretty fun to just like, you know, make all the stuff and then just enjoy the afternoon with some really good snacks and tea. I hope you guys enjoy my video and I will see you next time. Bye bye!